I'm here together with my good friend, Yiddish Chaim Katz from Yerushalayim, from Beitar. It's a cool thing.
Yerushalayim.
Oh, Yerushalayim?
I'm now Beitar, but
Die wohnt in
okay.
Yerushalayim. Kevin,
Yeah.
Chaim is a Nunti did man, and Baruch Hashem, we finally, after years and years of watching him and following him, we got him to come to America, B'Siyat L'Shemaya. Welche Tag noch einmal?
Ich komme die nächste Woche Mittwoch, sie kommt aus der Schoilisch Uda. Sie geht dann eine Woche Zeit, bis Dienstag noch. Eine ganze Woche, aber Familie.
A ganze Woche in Amerika. Dann lass mich suchen der Eulen, was ist Chaim Katz? Mir ist Chaim Katz. Können wir kein ganze Chaim Katz. Wir kennen ganze chaimkatz.com. In uns gibt es ist chaimkatz.com, right?
Ja. Chaim-Katz.com, ja.
Okay, it's lass mal von meinen Followers who Chaim Katz is. Chaim Katz is a Gudel Hador, again, a Gudel Hador when it comes to outdoor training, the way they call it is outdoor training. In America, it's called team building. Team building, team building to take a team and build them together. Chaim, nehmen mit der Wort. Take over the word.
Ja. Ich will das so. Sie gehen da nach Wichse für Menschen, die arbeiten zusammen, leben zusammen, lernen zusammen. Am Sprache, no different what age, what everyone wants to be connected and to feel apart. Jeder will da heilig von einer großen Sache. Ist das so? Ich habe gleich mein Leben gleich ne. Ich kann dir sagen, als Woche schon ich viel zu viel ein alles, war schon 15 Jahre. Ja, in der ersten 4 Jahre, sie ganz schwer, gefährlich, bitter, verwusst. Kann ich verstehen, was ich. Aber wie kann sagen, dass ich mache Activities, when Menschen werden connected. Wo ist der Versuch von dem? In not 4 Jahre, the miracle happened, and Baruch Hashem, today, I do training in it strong. I have people that come to learn from me how to do it. I have a training center. We have over 100 people that train, half-year training. And Baruch Hashem, people are doing what I do. The Zach is to bring people together to feel each other. Ich mache activities, to game. Ich kann nicht, since als mir ist experiential, man darf es fühlen. Was sie meint, als ich gewisse Sachen bekämpfe mit einer, sie kennen sogar ein Mensch.
So Chaim Tachlis, you're coming now to America for a week. What are you doing in America?
Oh, so the main thing is we're going to do 12 hours training.
Training for people who want to become
Chaim
Katz. They want to become Chaim Katz in America. Now, this is a huge potential for business. If somebody's good, gelungen, he's a personality, like a head counselor personality, a geschmack personality, a mechanic personality, and he wants to take it up a few notches and make a paar nossen in them. You can become a outdoor training, team building facilitator. Nachon?
Yeah.
Wow.
And besides that, I have a conference. I'm going to a conference of 60 Menalim in Florida. I'm going to do work with 60 Menalim to make a team building for the Menalim, to make them sure that they connect, so they give each other ideas. Push it. Give Menal of a experience. Yeah, Melvin was Ichom. He's just taking on to them. You can imagine how much knowledge you have in a group.
If they would share it.
But wo steht er bederf klar? Du einer Kind, du suchst ein Schir, du suchst ein motivational speaker. Was ich mache den Menal reden einen mit dem zweiten in der wirklich Minute die beste solutions.
Wow.
In euch dem in unser Schem noch gut statt zu machen Mosti Shabbos mit Sintik Nacht. Sie machen a father and son program. Ich meine, wie man sagt, ich habe mein E-Mail is gepackt with Menschen, when you come to America, when you come to America, when
Now's the time, Kevin. Call up Chaim now. Chaim, we should put the phone number on the screen. Which phone number can we put that they can reach out?
So I have a very a Yid in America. He's taking care of the ganze Sache.
Okay.
Pushet, he told me, he understood the Indian. He said, I know that America needs it. I know that father and sons in America need more connection. Mention a größer business, größer millionaires, billionaires, whatever, but the connection with the son is poor.
Wow.
Right?
100%.
He knows, he's the man that works with experience. And it's not it's not a zone. It's die größte Kurve, dass ein Mensch nimmt für sich, und das soll der Geist ist. Alle Menschen müssen ein bisschen, understand the Sache, und versteht die Sache, gibt man ich darf ganz Chaim Katz. Ich habe mir so Videos, ich habe beispielsweise mit dem, ich habe über 1000 Videos von Menschen, was ich habe, ja. Ich bin bei Chaim Katz, in any language you want, I have, you can set it down.
Okay, I'm about to send the advertising on the group here. So Chaim, I got like the phone number just on the screen. Somebody wants to book, somebody wants to become a facilitator, somebody wants to become a trainer, and will sich lehnen, Chaim.
Go, ich tue eine Sache, ich spiele in ganz Michigan. I'm coming to America, and I'm pushing. letting out everything I have. Ich push it. People tell me you have to make a business plan, how to do it. Nein, ich gehe so. Ich will bringen a connection. Ich will Menschen to jump in. It's your opportunity. Menschen in der Soße. Ich denke, der erste muss ich bin gut von mitzubringen an Kvitze. Aber finden Demos, jeden Kvitze sich essen. Ich 2 Produkt im Fall, mache ich so. Ich so, das wird kommen. Ich gebe, wie man sagt, ich schreibe E-Mails. Ich gehe in 2 Produkte. Ich habe eine große E-Mail-List. Ich habe Kvitze. It's no problem. But in America, we have to have 646-280-8071. Okay, 646.
So the only way to have the number.
8071.
Yeah, what's up? Book an appointment. Not an appointment. You want to become part of this group. It's going to be taking place. Mention Thursday Parshas. My Parshas Trimme, and Sunday Parshas. Tzava. Thursday and Sunday, and Sunday is going to be the 2 days of training, and then Chaim is still open for a father and son session. If somebody wants to book Chaim to come and take a few fathers and sons out to make a beautiful day,
it can be a group of friends. It can be a group of friends. It can be an organization. If it's indoor, I did 400 father and sons in one indoor place.
400 fathers and sons, unbelievable.
It's not a problem. If everyone's sitting down and you have madrichim giving out equipment. You know and a good mic and a system, whatever you call it in America, like a microphone. Microphone. Everyone can hear what you say, and you're clear and simple. It works, no problem.
Okay,
so I can do any group in this is your opportunity, and I hope this will be the first time I'm coming to America.
Many times.
Every time, you know what? I'll stop when I see I have people doing good enough what I do.
Chaim, shake on the video, Chaim. Shake on the video. I'm going to post it now. Let's see what you do. Hands on. And be smart and jump into it. We're looking forward for an amazing, beautiful time.
What if facilitation wasn't just a skill, but a way to transform people, teams, and yourself? Chaim Katz is not a motivational speaker. He is a professional group facilitator, an ODT expert, working at the highest level of experiential education. Trained at the Wingate Institute and trusted by large organizations, institutions, and leadership teams, Chaim facilitates high-impact processes where real change happens through experience, challenge, reflection, and human connection. This course is not theory. It is hands-on, practical, and deeply personal. You will learn how to lead groups with confidence, how to build trust in minutes, how to manage complex group dynamics, and how to turn outdoor and experiential tools into powerful professional facilitation. But more than that, this course changes how you show up as a person. Graduates leave with clarity, presence, and a respected skill set that opens doors to meaningful and well-paid work in education, organizations, leadership programs, and team development. For a limited time, Chaim Katz is bringing this international level training to the United States. If you're ready to grow, to lead, and to turn impact into a profession, this is where it starts.
Amazing experience being with Rabbi Chaim and going through all the different pi'ilut, the different activities that were here. It was really fun. It was a unique experience to bond with my son. I don't always have that opportunity, and I highly recommend it to anybody who is in the situation where they can take off and spend time with their son like that. It's well worth it.